Hey guys, welcome to this beginner-friendly Procreate tutorial. Today I'll show you step by step how to draw a simple landscape in Procreate. Perfect if you're just starting out or want to learn the basics of digital art. And let's get started. The canvas size is 2000 by 2500 pixels. And this is the color palette we're going to use. You can enter the hex codes in your swatch or download the color palette from the link in the description below. Let's open layers and click on background. Select the light orange color for the background. Go back to layers and we're on layer 1. Select the olive green color in the palette. Go to brush library in classic library. Let's use the monoline brush in calligraphy. Then we can draw the first layer of the land. Drag the color to fill it. Now let's create a new layer and move it below the first layer. Select the lighter green to draw the second layer of the line. Next, create a new layer in between the two layers. Use the navy color, let's draw the bush. To be able to fill the shape with solid color, let's hide the top layer for now. Then we can make sure we draw a closed shape and fill it with color. Add a new layer and drag it below all layers. To draw another bush, same this time, let's hide the land layer and make sure you can see it and close the shape. Fill the color, then we can bring back the two layers. Next, let's add a new layer and move it to the bottom. And select the second blue color to draw a mountain silhouette. Drag the color and fill it. Add another layer and select the light blue. Let's draw the second mountain silhouette. Back to layers and add a layer on top of all layers. Select the orange. Let's draw a random circle. Hold your pen and tap with a finger on the screen. Then it will become a perfect circle. Click on the arrow icon in here to allow you move the sun to the right place. For the next step, let's draw the path on the land. Go to the second layer of the land and add a layer on top of it. Click on the new layer and let's use clipping mask. This allows you to only draw in the area of the layer below. Use the cream color, let's draw the path and make sure we close the bottom and the top and fill it with color. For the second path, let's just repeat the process. Make sure you're using clipping mask and do not forget to make sure the path you draw is closed. Next, we're gonna add a bit texture and depth to the artwork. Click on the bottom mountain layer and select Alpha Lock. This allows you to draw only within the shape on this layer. Or another way to open Alpha Lock is using your two fingers and tap on the layer, then swipe. Let's open Alpha Lock for all layers. Select the color we use for the background in terms of the brush. Go to charcoals and select Willow Charcoal. And The brush size is about 30. Gently draw small circles at the bottom of the mountain. Same for the other mountain layer. For the bush, let's use the second blue color in the color palette. Go to another one and select the layer and add textures. For the land, let's use the light blue. And for the path on it, let's add the light green on the top. Then select the first layer of land, use the same grain. And use olive green for this one. Don't forget the sun. Open Overlog and use the darker orange to add gradient texture on the left bottom side. Then it's finished. I hope you enjoyed this beginner-friendly Procreate tutorial and had fun creating your simple landscape. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will get with digital art. If you'd like to see more relaxing step-by-step Procreate tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more creative inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.